join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
By an order dated 16th August, SP North Goa Akshat Kaushal has suspended duty master of Anjuna police station. There were several rumors regarding the reason behind the suspension. Now, Akshat Kaushal has clarified to Prudent, saying that duty master of Anjuna police station has been suspended following complaints against him alleging the misuse of his official position for personal gain. The SP has further clarified that complaints related to a pattern of misconduct, including but not limited to colluding with the pubs and restaurants to allow loud music beyond the permissible time limit. The duty master, misusing his official position, deployed such police officers who ignored the noise pollution and allowed the pub and restaurants to play the music beyond permissible time limit of 10 p.m. in loud manner. A disciplinary inquiry has also been initiated against him. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.